Hi, my name is Julie Bass, and I am here teaching the speaking class at Oxford. I have been here in Taiwan for a year and a half, and I come originally from California in the States. So this is a class to improve your speaking, and if you're here with me as your teacher, you will definitely see improvement. I really enjoy giving guidance and direction and hearing what students have to say. So I'm really glad to be here and to be a part of this, and it's been a pleasure. Being at Oxford is a great opportunity. Here you will be able to learn to speak English more confidently, feel more confident about speaking up, confident in your speaking abilities, and being able to speak English will help you tremendously in the real world. This class in particular will help you to make sure that you pass your TOEIC exam, and it will make you feel confident about your abilities to speak English and to be able to be successful.
Hope you all had a good break. And okay, so we are going to go on to question 3. Any questions about the first 2 questions that we've had, or the materials that we've covered? Okay. All right. Any other questions for me? All right. Let's take a look at what we've got. Okay, question 3. Would you like to take a long vacation or several short vacations a year? Explain why. So, would you like to go one place for a long period of time, or would you like to take several short vacations going to several different places? Okay? Probably depends on your job and what your preferences are. So the best thing to do is give some examples and some reasons. Make sure you clearly state which one you would be interested in, and then you need maybe 1 or 2 reasons within 45 seconds that they're allowing for the question. Okay. So, for example, if I was going to answer this question, I'll give you an example. Let's do that. 45 seconds. So, if I had a choice, I would like to take one long vacation for several reasons. I would say the first one would be because I have the opportunity to stay in a place for a long period of time and get to know the people and get to be part of the culture, and I get to fully relax and feel like I'm part of the place that I'm at, rather than having to take a short vacation and have all the time that I'm traveling on the airplane and then I'm moving from place to place. So for me, I think a long vacation would give me the opportunity to relax more, to enjoy myself, and to spend less time traveling from place to place. That would definitely be my preference out of the 2. Thank you. Okay. So that would be a good example of a short answer. I've clearly stated what I prefer. I've given my reasons for why I prefer it. I've given the 2 reasons that are clear, and then I summed it up at the end. Okay, so that would be an example of a good answer for a question like that. Okay? All right. Any questions about this before we get started? Or questions on how to answer it? Okay. Did anybody? Because you are a very good speaker.
No, I'm very anxious.
I think you just need a little bit. I think you just need a little more self-confidence. You speak quite well. I've heard you speak before. All right, let's go ahead. Yeah. All right.
In my opinion, I'd like to have a long vacation. Here are my reasons. First, because I think that long vacation is easier to have a plan. And second, because for example, if I have a long vacation and I can go abroad, but if I have a short vacation, I got schedule.
Okay, why don't we start you over?
Can I repeat one more time?
Yeah, let's start over. It's fine. All right, go ahead.
Well, in my opinion, I'd like to have a long vacation, and there are two main reasons. First, because I think have a long vacation is easier to have a plan, and second, sorry, I didn't get the second reason. And so, for example, a long vacation, please.
All right, let's go back to the beginning. You're doing good, Tim. You're just nervous. It's fine. Okay, so you said you have two main reasons. Number one is
No,
easier.
just one reason.
I know. But you said you had two. So let's think of a second reason. What would be a second reason that you would enjoy going on a long vacation? So it's easier to plan. And what might be a second reason that you would enjoy it?
No.
No? Well, okay. Do you want to just give me one reason?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So then you're going to need to think of several examples for your one main reason.
Okay.
Okay? All right. So try it again.
Well, in my opinion, I think a long vacation is better than a short vacation for several reasons. First, because long vacation is easier to have a plan. And for example, if I have a long vacation, I think I can go abroad because I got a long period that I can have some detail that I can. I don't think it's. I think I need more time.
Okay. Well, you started out strong. You've got a good beginning. Okay, you definitely have a good beginning. You clearly state which is your opinion. Okay, and you state because you can go abroad, and you say there's several main reasons. Okay, so you start out strong. You've just got to come up with a little bit more material. Okay, so think about what you would like to do on vacation, or particularly why you think one would be better. Okay, so you can go abroad, you can go farther, you can travel to a farther location. It's easier to plan because you're doing one long vacation instead of several short vacations. Okay, so you can talk about that. You can talk about getting to know people more, and how one long vacation allows you the opportunity to get to know a culture or a place better. Okay, so those are some ideas. So think about it. Listen to a few other people's presentations. We'll come back to you. You're not getting out of it. Because I absolutely know you can give me a great presentation. I've seen you and I've heard you do it. You just get a little nervous sometimes. But you're an excellent speaker. So just give it a minute. We'll come back to you. Let's go to Do.
I prefer to take several short trips in a year because I think life is full of experience. And if I take several short trips, then I can experience more. I can visit several places and meet several groups of people, and I think that will be very many surprises for me. And most importantly, I think that if I take several short trips in a year, there is, I think that will make me feel anytime anything I can expect in a year. Yeah, something.
Okay, so you're saying so good. Okay, so you like several short trips, okay, because it gives you, you want to take a lot of surprises, or there would be many surprises.